I'm going to show you how to make objects disappear in Photoshop in one click. So I've got an image here. Now, when you find an image, you want to make sure that there's enough space around the object to make sure that the content aware fill feature in Photoshop actually works properly. So all I'm going to do is press L for the lasso tool. I'm going to circle around the ship there, and you can see there's plenty of blue water that Photoshop can use pixels and the colors from. So what I'm going to do, make sure my layer is rasterized. So you can right click and click rasterize if it's not already. I'm going to right click on my selection, click content aware fill. And then you can see it's going to extract the pixels from the outside of that. And now you can see on the right side what it will look like. All I've got to do is press OK. And there you have it. I'm going to press Ctrl D to deselect. And you can see it did a pretty good job. If I zoom out, you can't really tell. Now the ship is gone. And that's how easy it is in Photoshop with the content aware fill feature. If you want to see more Photoshop tutorials just like this, click the video on the screen to watch more.